Gonna make this quick because we're running out of daylight. But here at a park, and I'm gonna be running to a lake to try and get there before it gets too dark. Stay tuned. Oh, I'll also be fishing a different way. You guys haven't seen me fish this way. This is my second time fishing like this, so we'll see how it works. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, wallet into the backpack. Phone in my pocket. Not taking the kayak or the canoe. You guys probably didn't even know I have a canoe. Alright, backpack. Rod and reel. Right. So we've made it to the lake. Sundown, or my phone says sunset, is at, let's see what time here. It says sunset's at 8:02. It's now 7:01. So I got about an hour to fish. This is it. That's what we're trying out today. We'll get over to the spot that I want to fish. Oh, this is all fishable. At least with what I'm using. Bunch of little blueies. Got some big monsters moving down here. This is Haven Hill Lake. I used to come here all the time when I was little. I grew up in the neighborhood right next to here. So, today I'm trying out a different technique. I've never used this type of bait before. Okay, I used it yesterday to try and practice with it because I didn't know what I was doing. Didn't want to look like a complete idiot. But I'm sure you guys have heard of, you guys are watching a YouTube video, you guys have heard of Guggen. I started out watching them. I was watching John B a lot, and then I actually switched over to one rod, one reel. I know he's not part of the Guggens anymore, but he's actually, I watch him, I'm subscribed to him, all that good stuff. So you can check out his channel. I'm sure he wouldn't mind. He catches some pretty cool fish. So this is their Bandito bug. It's the black and blue, what do they call this one? Black and blue flake. So then I got a jig head on here. I think it's a 3/8. And I'm just gonna thread it on here and get out here. Like I said, I have an hour exactly to fish, and then I gotta go all the way back to my car. So I'm gonna break off these legs. Break off that tail. Give it as much action as possible. Now this jig head's already going to give it weedless, so I'm not going to do anything special there. Just going to feed it through and then poke it out. So hopefully the presentation the fish will see something along that type of presentation, or just falls, sits. I'm going to give it a few little jerks, and it's got a little rattle on it, so it should be good. Hopefully they're not biting down here. I might need to shorten this up, but we'll see. Ooh, that was a bite. Wow. Ooh, got a fish. Alright guys, so look at that. Can't teach an old dog new tricks. There we go, got a nice... I'm going to set the hook maybe a little bit too hard on him. Wow, that was cool. Alright, so there we go. Haven Hill Lake produces. Nice little bass here. Set him on his way. Cool. Let's get back out there. Bandito's still on here, doesn't look too messed up. It's definitely different than what I'm used to, for sure. So I don't really know. Comment down below if I'm using it right. I think I am. Fish. There's a lot of weeds through here. It's not a fish either. That's one. Got another one. On the fall. There we go. Nice. A little bit smaller than the last guy. Maybe about the same size. But hey, we're getting them. There you go, bud. Cool, thanks. Holy crap. Bandito putting in work. So let's get this adjusted. Check all of our little fins here. Everything looks good. Get back on there. Oh, there's a snake right here. It's peeking out the wall. Take a quick pic of him. We've got these water snakes. Let's see if you guys can see him. It's right there. That just kind of hang out through here. They usually come out and sunbathe during the day. I didn't really think I'd see any. Just because, you know, not the middle of the day. But maybe I'm causing enough commotion to get them curious. He's wondering, where's mine at? Where's my food? Got one! Ooh, this one's a good one. Oh, he came off. Okay. I might not have. You might have shook my bait off. Shook off that bandito. Nope, still on there. Man, he was a good one too. Must not have set the hook hard enough. This is a really interesting way to fish, because you gotta like kind of pace yourself. Oh boy, where's that going? Was it somebody else's line? I don't want that in there. See what we got. It's pretty heavy. Let's see what somebody lost. It's like they're fishing a drop shot. Well, that'll go into the bag of mysteries, I guess. Alright. New spot time. Oh, you guys thought that only because I had an hour, I wasn't going to change spots. You thought wrong. There are more than just this spot on this lake. A little bit close quarters, but I can make it work. There's already what is that, a pike? That is a little baby pike. Wow, this whole thing is overgrown with lily pads. This whole thing is just overgrown from what I can tell. Alright, so we're gonna make a change, go back to the first spot. And we'll cast this 3 more times. And then we'll switch to top water and see if we can't slam on that frog. Because it's just froggy right now. Oh, those swans, I knew it. Swans aren't afraid of you either. Just in case anyone ever wants to know, swans will mess you up. They are not afraid of you. They do not care. They will fight you. Last cast with this Guggen bait. And then it's back to the topwater frog. Alright, I'm gonna do. Oh, that's a fish. I was just about to bring this in. Because I was gonna do one more for you guys. Oh, that's the biggest one. Oh, no. No, no, no. Hey, hey. Hey. Yep, you're alright. See if I can rinse this guy off without getting bitten by a snake here. Probably not. He's a little dirty, but that's because he jumped. There you go. Alright, last one on the Guggen. Time to switch to some top, see if I can get some better fish. Thanks, guy. Not making me look like a complete fool here. I'm going to take another cast with it. I'm having fun. Learning something new is just, it's fun. It honestly is. You know, you can say you had no idea what you were doing, but you're having fun with it. Sun's going down. I'm still about it. He tried. Got him! Oh, wow, I missed another one. Man. Alright. So this is what I'm thinking. New bandito. Get rid of our frog. It's getting dark, so they're going to start relying off sense of smell. So that's why we're going to go with a new bandito. That is something that only I would do. Oh yeah, the fish are biting this lure, so let's switch. Dummy. Alright. So, new bandito on. Same lake, different Apeman actually. Hope you guys can see. I checked on my chest and it looked like you guys could see, but who knows. Oh, wow, I'm dumb. Tied this on, I didn't even open up the frillers. Gotta get them frillies going. Got one! Oh! Alright, well, we're gonna end it there. The little flip and trick you take actually seemed to work, so I learned something new. If you reel and kind of flip it at the same time, it actually has pretty good results, so. Alright guys, I'll meet you back at the car. Alright, so it's a little dark, but I hope you guys can see me. We're back at the truck. About to leave the park. So I caught those 3 bass on that bandito bug. I had 2 hits on the frog, and I lost one. That's right, yeah. Or I lost more than one. But yeah, so that was pretty good for my second technical time of being out with that bandito bug. Kind of figured out a few different ways to fish it. I think I'll do pretty good with those. I don't know if I'll buy them very often though. It's just hard to purchase terminal tackle for me. But hey, for a first time, I think I did pretty well, and it did pretty well. Hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, like it, subscribe to me. I'm always posting stuff, or at least I'm trying to. It's been a little bit of a lull lately, I'm sorry. But with it getting darker sooner or later, getting out on the lake before it's dark and while the fish are biting, it's kind of a task. But I'm going to make it happen. So, as always, catch you guys on the fish side.